I'm Steve Flanagan. We're about 20 minutes south of Brisbane, Queensland. We used to milk cows in New Zealand. Come over on holiday. My cousin was doing this sort of business, and we went out for a few days holiday or working with them and decided we can do this.
At that time, our contract on the milking had finished. We had 4 children. My parents were over here, and so we thought, let's just go.
We run a company, Trees, Palms and Stumps, or TPS Tree Service. It's a family-run business. We employ 6 guys, and my son runs the crew. We live on the property. We've got a 3/4 of an acre here, so all the trucks are based here when they get here in the morning, so they just have to sharpen their saws, jump in the trucks, and they're off to work. So we do a lot of residential tree removal and maintenance. Sort of started with a ute or a station wagon and a trailer, and graduated to a truck and chipper, and then just grew from there. It's been a long process and taken a while to get a reputation. And some customers have been calling us back for 20 odd years since we've just about started. We have a lot of logs which were waste. Basically, we'd mulch them up, or if they were too big, we'd take them to another firewood person down the road, and he'd make firewood out of them and utilise it that way. So my wife and daughter said, well, we don't want to give it away, we'll use it, we'll recycle it and turn it into a little business.
We've been doing the wood business for about 3 years now, which is an idea that Mum and I come up with together. And we sort of went back and forth for about 6 months deciding how it's all going to work.
After the first season, the girls did it all with a standard sort of $2,000 wood splitter, and it was just too much hard going for them. So I started searching the internet for something that would be easy for them to use, and the Wood-Mizer I found was about the only machine that would, I thought, handle the tough eucalypt wood and drop it into the crates straight away, and less handling. So if we're not handling it too much, it's more profit.
So if it's Mum and I, we're pretty efficient. We get it done in an hour and we can turn the machine off. She'll usually operate the stick and I'll roll it on. And
yeah, I just love it. Yeah, get down there, split away and see the truck rolling with more wood. And
I think the beauty of this machine as well is if we were to split for 38 hours per week, we would probably end up with more wood than we would know what to do with it. So just that couple of hours a week gets it done, and we can get on with everything else.
the machine makes it easy.
We're doing probably 250 cubes a year at the moment. Other thing we've learned with the Wood-Mizer is the offcuts that come through the bottom. We put a few bags of it out the front as fire starters or kindling, and we sold out of it in the first year. We've only got a short window of selling most of the wood, over 2 to 3 months, so we may only sell it from May to June. We do still sell it for camping throughout the year, depending on the season as well, if we can light buyers.
And in this economy, it is nice to provide affordable wood to the community. A few people that we have just have small fireplaces in their home, so sometimes we do service for them as well. And then our customers come through. We have set it up for self-service because we do have very busy lives as well. So if we are here, we do go out and meet our customers and give them a hand. I see this as a 20-30 year thing for me.
We can't see a problem with the machine, and it's going to outlast us pretty much. So as long as people still want a fire at camping or whatever they're doing, fire at night in the wintertime, we'll still keep making wood. Hopefully it just continues to grow and we get better at it.